Don't fall, don't forget me. 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 Don't fall, I'm done for. Don't fall, get me. All its leave it to let this light so, oh so lonely. Wait for me, don't wait for me. By the phone anymore, I hear your footsteps through the door, and I hear you say her name, say her name, say her name.
We played in London last time. We're doing like a little mini tour. I'm playing some songs for you. Thank you very much for listening. This is another one. It's quite new. It's called Waiting. These are small. We put these out on an EP. I did the first two actually. It's the first time I've done most of the EP. We've got a couple left. We're about to go back in the studio in May and make another EP, and the ones that we've got now will no longer be on set because they were made by hand, and they were all recorded in my house, so now I'm going to do them again with drums and with Jeff, because he wasn't with us at the time, and Mackenzie, who wasn't with us. So yeah, they're kind of not going to exist for very much longer. But this is one that's called Separate the Verb. Separate the word, conjugate a verb, carry the weight across the air. Something phonetically occurred, verb non-personal, I believe.
something touched her. It resonated within me. In hallowed halls that I call to die today, though a day of rest for give the best out their lives. I knew no other, and God loved your mother. I knew no other words but mine. There lies ahead a grave beside a bed. It's heaven where I supine or suspect will tip us like concrete bent. The nature of this place so double-faced. I knew no other, and God took your brothers. I knew no other words but mine. God loved your mother. I knew no other words but mine. Would fight, I'd separate the word, conjugate a verb. Would it carry away across the air? Something phonetically occurred to me, reverbed on her syllabically. You'll never catch a breeze throwing soil over me. Thank you. Alright, here's another one from that same record. Carved our names into the timbers and sang for 40 nights and 40 days. Gathered animals, the lions, the lamb. that we were just on the way.
It's lovely to be here in Wales, actually. If any of us look a bit bedraggled, it's because we've been in a car for 4 or 5 hours. But it's a special thanks to our friend Kay, who invited us down here. So.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, it's really nice. It's a lovely thing, just playing a big lovely old room with a lovely piano and people watching you. And lovely time on a Friday afternoon. It's good. You don't get that in Norwich. It's all night crime and it's nice, lovely. Okay, we're going to do another new one. This is all
all it ever was. Just a wine soul for the serenity.
Very new, thank you very much. So we'll get okay, we've got a couple more, I think, for you. Three more? Yeah, three more. These tracks are on a single that we released back in February. They're sort of the sort of sound you're hearing more like today. So the old EP is a bit more stripped back and old, and then this new single is a bit fuller. There were 7 of us in the recording. As we normally tell, there's 5 of us today. We normally play with 6 now live, but our cohort Millie didn't make it because of work commitment, sadly. So think of her as she stays away in our hearts. Alright, this one's called Tide.
such vicious animosity? Were you born this way? Or did you choose to be such an asshole? So much for subtlety. For it was you someone, so it will be. So the story goes, never ceases to ebb and flow.
This one is the other side of the double A side. It's called December. I do most of the writing in the band. This one's Jeff's, and it's by far the best. Just I like to add pressure every time. Keep on his toes. Okay, yeah, this one's called December.
Broken, got it all broken. I'm hoping, got it all worked out. Broken, got it all broken. Hoping, got it all worked out. So we're in this together.
Bristol in about 2 hours after this. Well, we're going to do soundcheck anyway. Playing at the Bristol Birdcage. If anyone's heading that way, you can pop along. But we're going to be back on tour in November, all being well in the UK. So if you're interested, we're going to be over there just selling some merch, we've got some t-shirts and CDs and the like. You can come talk to us and just find out what we're doing. And if you liked it or hated it. This is our last one. It's called False Start.
wanting so much. Now it's 12 months on, and I'm still waiting for a fall, for it all to fall. Except you don't fall.
to us afterwards. People wouldn't hands. Thank you so much.